Why do we want to switch out white sugar? Well, remember the two main problems of the worst foods that prevent your body from burning fat. They're basically flooding your body with too much glucose, which is sugar is pretty much glucose. It's instantaneous. Boom, it's going to spike your blood sugars. And the second thing is that too much sugar over time is associated with both inflammation and insulin resistance, which are both linked with leptin resistance. And that's the one when you never feel satisfied. So ironically, that feeling where you feel like you could just keep eating and you always need to use discipline and willpower to stop eating is one of the symptoms of leptin resistance. And one of the things that causes that is too much sugar. So that's one of the reasons why we want to switch out sugar. And so things like honey, dates, coconut sugar, these are low glycemic, lower on the glycemic index, so less of a blood sugar spike. You get less of a glucose response. They're not linked with leptin or insulin resistance, and you get that more stable energy and less inflammation without feeling deprived.